And Dr. Laura McNeal is an attorney and a lecturer at Columbia University. She joins us now live to talk about this case. Welcome to Prime. How does something like this happen?
I have to be frank with you. This is just plain sloppy police work. There are protocols in place to make sure that the right person is arrested. They should have checked their social security numbers, should have checked her driver's license to make sure it matched. And if you just look at the booking photo they already had in their system, these people look nothing alike. So this is just sloppy police work. And unfortunately, LAPD is going to be held accountable.
And not only was the arrest, the mistaken identity, just an incredible story, but it took 2 weeks for them to figure it out and release her.
Yeah, the 2 weeks thing is just ridiculous. Now, this was a no bail warrant, meaning she did not have the option of bail. And so she really could not be released until she either had a hearing or they finally listened to her when she said, you have the wrong person. And so there's just no excuse, to be quite honest, for the fact that this poor woman, I can't imagine going on vacation with your family and you're arrested, and not just wrongfully arrested, but for 13 days. It's inexcusable. And unfortunately, this happens all the time. We've seen this just as recent as a couple of weeks ago in Palm Beach County, Florida. A gentleman, exact same name, very different range of age, was arrested and detained for 5 days simply because of mistaken identity. So this actually happens a lot more often than people realize.
Yeah, that's the really surprising part, is that this is much more common than we think. So you're an attorney. What is your advice? Because apparently this can happen to anyone. If it happens to one of our viewers, what is your advice?
Yeah, my advice is to reach out to an attorney, get some representation, have that attorney contact the local police department that is holding your loved one literally hostage, and take the social security number, a copy of their driver's license, and say, you need to check this out. If not, you are wrong, we will file a lawsuit. But you really have to threaten to hold them legally accountable. And it's important to, again, stress the fact that the IDs and social security numbers are not going to match for your loved one. So you really are just essentially calling them out on following their own protocols that obviously they didn't follow.
And this seems to be, on its face, a clear violation of her Fourth rights. Do you anticipate a settlement from the city and from the department, given the loss of her grandmother especially, or any other repercussions?
Absolutely. This is a slam dunk civil rights case, meaning they will win the civil suit. An example of how large this judgment could be, there was an Atlanta woman who was wrongfully arrested. She received recently $1.5 million from a federal jury. And so the sky's the limit, because the truth is, irreparable harm is done. You can't bring her grandmother back. And so I think we should expect both the police officers and the police department to be held accountable. And let's not forget, the police officer himself can be held criminally liable for the false imprisonment as well.
The crazy story. Dr. McNeal, thank you for joining us.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.